Welcome to SAF Quantum Audiobooks. Today, we begin a powerful journey into one of the most life-changing qualities any human can develop: self-discipline. Find a quiet space. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let your body settle, and let your mind open gently. This audiobook will guide you through the mental, emotional, and spiritual foundations of self-discipline, so you can build habits, break limits, and rise into the strongest version of yourself in 2026. Let us begin. Chapter 1. Understanding the true meaning of discipline. Many people misunderstand discipline. They think discipline means forcing yourself, being strict or harsh, denying comfort, living like a machine. But real discipline is gentle, calm, intentional. It is the ability to choose what is right, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is a form of self-respect. It means I matter enough to follow through. It is the foundation of every successful person. When you master discipline, you master yourself. Chapter 2. Why motivation is not enough. Motivation is temporary. It is an emotion, and emotions change. Some days you feel inspired. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel lost. Some days you feel unstoppable. But discipline does not depend on mood. Discipline is a choice, a decision, a habit. Motivation says, I want to do it. Discipline says, I will do it anyway. Motivation opens the door. Discipline walks through it. Chapter 3. The Psychology of Willpower. Willpower lives in the prefrontal cortex, the logical part of your brain. When you practice discipline, this area becomes stronger. But when you scroll endlessly, avoid tasks, choose comfort over growth, give in to distractions, your willpower becomes weaker. The good news? Willpower is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Every time you wake up on time, do a task you don't want to do, say no to distractions, finish what you started, you train your brain. This is how self-discipline is built, through small daily victories. Chapter 4. The secret link between emotions and discipline. Most people believe discipline is logical, but the truth is, discipline is emotional. When emotions overwhelm you, you procrastinate, you lose focus, you avoid responsibilities. So the key to discipline is learning to regulate your emotions. Here are emotional skills that strengthen discipline. 1. Pausing before reacting. 2. Allowing discomfort. 3. Breathing into stress. 4. Staying calm in uncertainty. 5. Acting despite fear. Emotional control equals life control. Chapter 5. How to build habits that actually last. A disciplined life is built on systems, not motivation. Here is the formula for unbreakable habits. 1. Start unbelievably small. If your goal is meditation, start with 2 minutes. If your goal is reading, start with 1 page. 2. Remove friction. Make the habit easy to begin. Keep tools ready. Reduce obstacles. 3. Repeat daily. Consistency beats intensity. 4. Stack habits. Attach new habits to existing routines. After waking, stretch. After brushing, affirmations. After eating, walk. 5. Reward progress. Celebrate consistency. Small rewards strengthen the habit loop. Success is not built in a day, but in daily actions. Chapter 6. Breaking comfort zones. The comfort zone is warm, but it keeps you small. Discipline pulls you out of comfort and into growth. Think of every great person you admire. They grew because they left comfort behind. Waking up early feels uncomfortable. Exercising daily feels uncomfortable. Studying instead of scrolling feels uncomfortable. Working on your goals feels uncomfortable. But discomfort is the gateway to transformation. Every time you resist comfort, you sharpen your character. Chapter 7. How to Control Distractions in a Digital Age. We live in the most distracted generation in history. Your phone, notifications, short videos, endless scrolling. Discipline today means controlling attention. Here's how to break digital distraction. 1. Create no phone zones. Use your phone only in specific places. 2. Set 20-minute focus sessions. Short focus bursts beat long unfocused hours. 3. Uninstall one distracting app. Start with the biggest time waster. 4. Turn your phone to grayscale. This reduces dopamine spikes. 5. Prioritize morning focus. Morning clarity equals maximum discipline. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Protect it. Chapter 8. The Disciplined Mindset. A disciplined person thinks differently. They believe slow progress is still progress. Consistency is more important than perfection. Effort is better than excuses. Action creates confidence. Results come from patience. The disciplined mindset is calm, intentional, powerful. It says, I will show up today, even if I don't feel like it. This is how champions are born. Chapter 9. Discipline and Purpose. Without purpose, discipline collapses. Purpose answers, why should I be disciplined? Your purpose can be to improve your life, to support your family, to heal your mind, to build a future, to prove to yourself that you can, to live with dignity. Purpose fuels discipline. Discipline fulfills purpose. They depend on each other. Chapter 10. Becoming Unstoppable in 2026. 2026 is not just another year. It is a turning point for your growth. If you choose discipline, your mental strength will rise. Your emotional balance will deepen. Your income will grow. Your relationships will improve. Your courage will expand. Your confidence will stabilize. Self-discipline is the seed of transformation. When repeated daily, it becomes unstoppable. Thank you for listening to this extended audiobook, The Power of Self-Discipline: Master Your Life in 2026. If this message inspired you, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and share this audiobook with someone who wants to grow. This is SAF Quantum Audiobooks, helping you transform your mindset one thought at a time. Remember, discipline is not about perfect. It is about showing up again, again, and again. You have the power. You have the strength, and your future begins